that we are one of the first tools to document all of Power BI's metadata, including end-to-end lineage, analytics, which allows report discovery directly within Datalogz. So essentially anyone within the company can find and understand the correct report. So I just quickly want to show you how it works, if that's okay. If we click on this report over here, you can see that you're able to dive in very quickly into a workspace within Power BI. So this is a given report, and anyone can create documentation around that Power BI report, and you can quickly define what tiles mean within Power BI. There is a full discussion board, so you can ask questions, and this also integrates with Slack and Teams, which means all of your context within Power BI is stored within Datalogz. Also, activity logs here, we show all of the activity logs so you can see exactly who's using the report. Maybe you'll have a consultant or someone come in and they're accessing something they shouldn't. Also badges, which are super cool because you can add badges so you can categorize what reports exist. And then on the right hand here, you can see we show frequent users, tags, and you can also add descriptions. So we're really one place to document all of Power BI's reports, create workflows around what happens when a schema changes, what happens when a data set changes, and who should be notified and updated when those changes happen. And it all happens within Datalogz. So yeah, I mean, what do you think?